Now let's dive into our breaking story of the day. Max Keiser predicts Bitcoin astronomical flight to $220,000 per coin as all hell breaks loose. Let's break this baby down, shall we? And then we'll dive into our live Q&A. Massive shout out to everyone today in the live chat. Max Keiser, we all know as the high priest of Bitcoin, an advisor of President of El Salvador, expressed an optimistic look for the Bitcoin near-term trajectory, responding to a recent CNBC article titled "Signs of Disruption Emerge in Financial Markets," which discussed the significant shift in the financial landscape from expectations of enduring low interest rates to the anticipation of higher rates. Keiser took to Twitter to share the following. As predicted, all hell breaking loose. Bitcoin 220,000 short term in play. Here are the actual tweets right here. This was the first one we're responding to. This was the CNBC article. Something is breaking in financial markets. Here's what's behind the sell-off, in which Max responded very unapologetically, as predicted, all hell breaking loose. Bitcoin $220,000 short term in play. He also subsequently tweeted on the back of the Zero Hedge article, WTO warns of broad-based global trade slowdown, slashes the forecast. Max responded that the central banks will print a wall of money visible from outer space. 220,000 short-term Bitcoin in play. So send it and let's freaking go. Now, notably, as per the article, this abrupt transformation of the global economy and central bank policies has in the past year led to stock market declines and a remarkable surge in treasury yields, sending shockwaves through businesses and raising concerns about the impending economic downturn. Now, Max Keiser's optimism regarding Bitcoin's short-term performance and shows and reflects his belief that the crypto can serve as a hedge against the potential economic turbulence and inflation resulting from the central bank's monetary policies. That's right, 100%. Max is right on the money. Keiser's assertions echo those of BitMEX co-founder Arthur Hayes, who I shared this story in great detail in yesterday's episode. If you missed it, check it out. Quoting Arthur Hayes, "We are about to witness the biggest bull market in human history, driven by the most amount of money printed in the shortest amount of time." 100%. And in the essay, Hayes offered a notably optimistic perspective on an impending extraordinary bull market in the crypto arena. He attributed this optimism primarily to the key driving force, which is the anticipation that major central banks, such as the U.S. Federal Reserve and others, will undertake an unprecedented surge in fiat currency printing over the next 2 to 3 years, virtually saying they will continue to print until the wheels fall off. Money printer continue to go. This substantial influx of liquidity, humorously termed as Hayes as toilet paper money, that's right, is poised to catalyze the swift advancement and widespread adoption of artificial intelligence technology. Earlier, he also went on to share that he sees an ambitious target for Bitcoin. We're talking about Crypto Hayes, Arthur Hayes, the ex-BitMEX founder. He is seeing Bitcoin hitting a target between $750,000 and $1 million per coin by the year 2026. So virtually saying within the next 3 years, expect the Bitcoin price to hit as high as $1 million per coin, which would virtually mean hitting Cathie Wood of ARK Invest's $1 million target 4 years before she's anticipating it. What's your thoughts surrounding these bullish price targets for the King Crypto? Max Keiser's short-term target of 220,000 in play. We have, ARK Invest, Cathie Wood predicting $1 million by 2030, maybe as high as 1.5 million in the most bullish case, and Arthur Hayes projecting a $750,000 to $1 million Bitcoin price within the next 3 years. Let me know your honest thoughts in the comments right down below.